Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're getting the order unsuccessful error on AliExpress, here's how you can fix it. First, open the AliExpress app. The easiest fix is to simply sign into a different account or log out of your account and then log back in. To do that, tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the gear icon next to your country flag. You want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and select sign out. You can then log in with a new account or re-log in using the same account. Now, if the issue still remains, here's another solution. When you search for products, make sure the item says ships from US. So let's go ahead and do that. Search for ships from US. Now, for example, if the product clearly shows it's shipping from the US, it's much less likely to trigger the order unsuccessful error. Just go ahead and click the product and look for specifications. So in short, try signing into a new account, and if it doesn't work, choose products that ship from your region, and that should solve the issue. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!